Sure, sir. Namaste all. Let us do Om chanting for 5 times. Together, please. After Om chanting, let us do Guru Namaskaram.
Okay.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave
We will repeat, madam.
Namaha. Please remember all your gurus, Lord Shankaracharya, whoever you feel important, please remember them.
Yeah, you can. We will repeat whatever you say, I think, to start with, because we don't know about that.
Guru Brahma Slokam, sir?
Yeah, we don't know.
Okay, sir. Then today, just because we finished Guru Brahma, I will give you in the typing, and by everyday chanting, slowly we'll learn that,
Okay,
sir.
okay.
And it says Guru is equal to all the three main deities, and our we are doing saluting to Guru, thinking our parents, our first gurus, and other very, very important gurus like Shankaracharya and all.
Okay.
And our life teachers, like with whomever person, whatever we learn, is a guru. Thanking all of them in one shlokam. So, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So, since I think we see 4 people now, sir, am I correct? 4 of them joined.
Yeah. We'll start.
Okay, sir. Shuklam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye.
So can I recite once?
Please, all of you, please. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Shuklam Bharadram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye.
Yes, sir.
Maybe a couple of times, madam. Is it?
Yes, sir. Please, individually, please.
Yeah. Shuklam Bharadam Vishnum Sasivarnam Saturbhujam Prasanna Vadanam Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye.
Yes, sir. It is Bharadharam.
Which Prasanna Vadanam Saturbhujam.
No, sir. Shuklam
Bharadharam.
Bharadharam. Okay, sir. Ambaradharam. Shukla, white. Okay. Suklam Baradharam. Yes, Amita madam.
Yeah.
Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturpujam Prasanavadanam Dhyayet Sharva Vigno Pashantaye.
Yes, madam. Yeah. Who else is there? Kartikeyan sir.
Yes, ma'am. शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं सदुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये.
Yes, sir. Another person?
Yoga Raghavan. Yoga Raghavan.
Yoga Raghavan sir.
Yoga Raghavan, can you try? I mean, or you can repeat whatever madam says.
Yoga Raghavan sir, shall we repeat?
Maybe I think you will follow it next time. We will.
Sure, sir.
We'll go with the other three. Yeah.
Sure, sir. Since we are comfortable with the Shlokam 1, we'll do Vyasam Vasishta Naptaram.
Yeah.
Anybody else is? Do you mind please reading once? No,
Yes, ma'am.
learning is not required. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. One by one, please. Individual. Vyasam.
व्यासं
Vyasam.
Vasishta.
Vashishta.
वसिष्ठ
Naptaram.
नप्तारं
Shakte.
Shakte.
Pautra Makalmasham.
Pautramalmasham.
Kalmasham
Parasharatmajam.
Parasaratmajam.
Vande.
वन्दे
Shukatatam.
Sukatatam.
Atam
Taponidhim.
Taponidam.
Nitim
Again. Vyasam.
Vyasam
Vasishta Naptaram.
Vashishta
Naptaram.
Naptaram.
Taram
Shakte.
Shakte.
Pautra Makalmasham.
Pautramalmasham.
Kalmasham
Parasharatmajam.
Parasaratmajam.
Ajam
Vande.
Vande.
Shukatatam.
Sugadadam.
तातं
Taponidhim.
Taponidim.
Nitim
Remembering Lord Vyasa who wrote Mahabharatam. Another thing is, whenever we are never comfortable with a big shlokam, we'll split into first line.
Okay.
So, if we want seriously to learn second shlokam, only second shlokam first line is our work,
Okay.
not full shlokam. And another tip which worked with me, how I learned is, morning I'll open the shlokam, entire day I'll try to recollect.
Okay.
Vyasam, Vasishta. By middle of the day, maybe I forgot Naptaram. Go home, again open the book, again go back to our book. Remember Naptaram Sakte Mautramakalmasham.
Okay. Okay.
After one point, our mind, like without our effort, it will try to recollect. We are doing another cycling, another work, also the shlokam comes into our mind. So without lot of effort, while doing other works, we can still do, like if I'm cooking, I can remember. If you are driving, you can remember. Some small jobs which doesn't require our mental effort. Our
Okay.
subconscious mind will remember. So please try like that. Maybe it will work out for you also. Okay, sir?
Okay.
So individually, if you want to read, I will listen, sir. Anybody? Vyasam. Second slokam, please, one by one. Please read.
Vyasam Vashishta Naptaram Shakte Pautra Makalmasham Parasaratmajam Vande Sukadadam Taponidim.
Yes, sir. Shukatatam. Yes, sir.
Sukadatam Saponidim.
Yes, sir. Perfect.
Vyasam
Anybody else?
Vashishta Naptaram Shakte Pautramakalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatam Taponitim.
Yes, sir. Kartikeyan, sir.
व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरत्मजं वन्दे सुकतातं तपोनितिम्.
Yes, sir. Perfect. Shall we do both together?
Yeah, we
Suklam?
are both together. Yes, madam.
Yes, sir. Please start, sir. Keshamurthy, sir.
Shuklam Bharadam Bharadaram
Individually, please. Individually.
Okay, ma'am.
Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye
Jayet. There is a th. Jayet.
Dhyayet Sarva Vignopasantaye Vyasam Vasishta Naptaram Sakte Pautramakalmasham Parasaratmajam Vande Sukatadam Taponidam. Taponidim.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Madam.
शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिम्.
Yes. Karthikeyan, sir.
शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे सुखतातं तपोनिधिम्.
Yes, sir. Can we do only 3 lines, sir? Karthikeyan, sir, do you want to try? Only 3 lines. You can try to memorize. Shuklam Bharadharam.
Yeah. शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं
Enough, sir.
Enough.
Enough, sir.
Enough.
3 lines is the focus now.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
sir. Madam, 3 lines in
शुक्लां
memorizing.
वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं. Only 3 lines you told. व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषम्.
Yes, ma'am. Keshamurthy, sir.
Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Sakte Pautramakalmasham.
Yes, sir. So slowly we can learn Parasaratmajam Vande Shukatatam Taponidhyam. Okay, sir. 4th line you can do day after. For tomorrow, please practice 3 lines together.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, sir? Hope all are comfortable like this.
Yeah. This phase is okay. Even we can repeat once more also. It's never mind, madam.
Yeah,
because
please.
initially.
Please, this is only repeating only is the class, sir.
Yeah.
Will Karthikeyan sir start? 3 lines, please.
Okay. शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं
Yes, sir.
पराशरात्मजं वन्दे.
Yes, sir. It's all our comfort. Once you are able
Yes.
to recite 4, 4, 3, or 3 is
Okay.
also good. Okay, sir?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Amida ma'am, 3 lines or 4, your choice. Yes, ma'am.
शुक्लां वरदरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिम्.
Yes, ma'am, good.
Shuklam Bharadaram Vishnum Sasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasanna Dhyaye Sarva Vignopasantaye Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram Sakte Pautram Makalmasham Parasaratmajam Vande Sukatam Taponidim.
Shukatatam.
Sukadadam Taponidim.
Also, please observe there is a jayet. The is
Yeah,
there.
Dhyayet. Okay.
Yes, sir. So tomorrow, whatever work you do, like entire day, the
Madam,
3 lines.
can I request you to recite once? We will listen to your audio.
Sure, sir.
Because that actual pronunciation, if you alone, if you do, we may
Yes,
be
sir.
able to get the right thing. Yeah, please.
Sure, sir. शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिम्.
Thank you, madam. Yours is musical. No, we would like to get that musical thing also.
No, actually everybody can get it
No,
slowly.
that's what I'm saying. No,
And-
by repeating, we want to get that musical thing. Yeah.
And the gold standard is Srimati M.S. Subbulakshmi.
Yeah. Okay. Correct.
As much as we learn, we can always get, sir.
Yeah.
May I please go to our third slokam of the day?
Okay.
The focus is on practice.
Okay.
At the end of the class, we will just introduce third slokam. But
Okay.
we are never in hurry. After you get hold of 1 and 2, third recitation will start. Okay, sir?
Okay.
I hope it's okay for all.
Okay.
And I will split up any big word can be always split up, and I will surely do that for in WhatsApp, sir.
Okay.
Today's slokam, it shows the importance to Vyasa Bhagwan, Vyasa Rishi, equaling to Lord Vishnu.
Okay.
Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya, Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave, Namo Vai Brahma Nidhaye, Vasishthaya Namo Namaha. We are saluting to Vyas Bhagwan.
Okay.
So the slokam, please repeat after me. We'll do first line. Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya,
Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya,
Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave,
Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave,
Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya,
व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय
Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave,
Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave,
विष्णवे
Namo Vai Brahma Nidhaye,
Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye,
ब्रह्मनिधये
Vasishthaya Namo Namaha.
वासिष्ठाय
शिष्टाय
नमो
नमो नमः.
Please observe in Devanagari, in Sanskritam, Telugu, there is a th, Kannada, th. That
Th.
sound comes like a H.
Okay.
Vasishtaya. You can practice that. Okay.
Okay.
It is not Vasishtaya, it is Thaya.
Thaya.
Okay, sir.
Thaya.
Yeah. So we'll do 2 and 3 first line. Somebody wants to say something?
All three.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vyasam Vasishtanaptaram
Vyasam
वशिष्ठनप्तारम्
Shakte
Second one.
Pautramakalmasham Shakte
शक्ते
व्यासं
पौत्रमकल्मषम्
वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे शुकतातं तपोनिधिं
Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya
रूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे.
We can stop there.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
Namo Vai Brahmanidhaye at the end of the week also you can
Okay.
practice.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
And when we say Sivarupaya Vishnave, Vishnu Rupaya Sivaya, it says that they are equal,
Okay.
though they are in a different forms. Okay.
They're equal.
So Vyasa is equal to Lord Vishnu. That is it. Okay, sir.
Okay.
And
We'll
another
try.
thing is,
We'll try
and
to
through
recite
Vishnu
at home also.
Sahasranamam, not much of meanings. We can only explain the word meaning. The shlokam will not have a meaning because all are individual names. And one more thing is we have not even started Vishnu Sahasranamam yet. These are all starting shlokams. We are Anusandanam. We are before starting Vishnu Sahasranamam, thanking all the gurus and how much powerful. And there are 2-3 pradhana shlokam about Vishnu. Then Vishnu Sahasranamam will start. Not yet started.
Okay.
Okay, sir. This is.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
So, is the time up?
Yeah.
Or,
We
Thank
can
you.
meet next time, madam. Yeah.
sure, sir.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I shared the address, ma'am. I shared the address
Yeah,
I
for
know,
the book.
sir. Actually, I'm in traveling. I will surely do that in coming
No,
20
just
days.
for
Okay, sir?
thank you.
I know. And others also, please do that. Okay, sir?
Yes.
And in your other classes, like the class will go on like this. Small children means will
Madam,
make a
all these
separate
people, I meet them quite frequently. Maybe I can collect some books.
I
and,
too thought the same, sir.
yeah, I
will
can
hand
deliver
over
it to them
you.
because I meet them very frequently.
That's so nice
Yeah,
of you.
I will collect 4 or 5 books and then they deliver it to them.
Yes, sir. Hope all are comfortable with this model of the class.
Yeah, this is
Okay?
good, madam. This is
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Sure, sir. We'll do in a small pace.
Yeah.
If all are comfortable, we might increase the number of the class also.
I
Your
think-
wish.
Yeah, now
Okay, sir?
now I think this phase is okay. We will what we will
Right
do
now.
is once these other people listen to the video, then they will may get interested. They will come. Maybe that's the way it happens most of our classes.
Yes,
No,
sir.
so
We-
initially for 2-3 weeks we'll go very slow,
Sure.
so that others also join us, and then after about 4 weeks we can pick up the speed.
Yes, sir. We just entered a path and we will travel together.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, madam.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Namaste
Thank you,
all.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Namaste.
madam. Thank you.
Thank you.